everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back again. I know I've been away for a very long time, but I'm back, and today I brought to you guys a video on how I tried the district 4 locks, butterfly 4 locks, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna be trying this on my sister, and so I would like to take you guys along with me. I had gone ahead and pre-braided her hair, and we're going to be using the water wave free trace hair in 28 inch. I didn't know it was this long, but we're gonna walk our way around it. So because the hair is so long, you want to make sure that you're detangling it from the tip towards the middle, just so that it doesn't get too tangled. So detangle this nice and neat, and then we're going to go into the next step. So right now I'm taking my crochet pin and I'm going to be crocheting this water wave free trace hair underneath this braid. So as you can see, this is me crocheting my water wave hair underneath the braid, and I'm going to be also crocheting a little piece of the spring twist. I'm going to be showing you in a minute. This hair right here, a little piece, just so that I can give my locks a stronger beginning. You know, the water wave hair is a little bit slippery, so this is going to tighten up my locks from the beginning, just so it doesn't unravel. Right now, as you can see, I'm using the little piece of spring twist hair to lock the bottom of my locks. After 4 to 5 tie, I'm going to transition into the water wave free trace hair. So right now I'm beginning to leave some butterflies out of my locks. So what is going on here is I'm using my free trace hair to lock this hair, and while I'm tying the hair, I'm using my thumb finger to like create some loops, you know, around my locks. So do this until your locks is up to your desired length, and you'll be fine. So this was my first time trying this, guys, so don't expect this to be, you know, 100% perfect. I am intending to do this more and more. Let me know if you guys, you know, like this and you want me to bring more videos on this. I am intending to experiment different hair type on these butterfly locks. So this is where I want to stop my locks, and what I did was I took my scissors and then I cut the excess spring twist hair, and then I started, you know, tying my locks, you know, backwards until the free trace hair is finished. And do not worry, guys, this is going to hold itself into place. It's not going to unravel. And if you're so scared that it's going to be unraveled, just kindly use maybe super glue to hold it in place, but you cannot use a lighter on this. So guys, I'm going to be repeating the process on over and over again, so kindly just watch me do this. So guys, as you can see, I'm using the same full lock technique, and the only different once again is that I am picking up, pieces of hair with my thumb finger and leaving them out as I wrap my locks. So guys, kindly do this over and over again until you achieve your desired length. So guys, let me use this opportunity to tell you guys how much hair that I use. So I use I prepared to have used 7 pack of the water wave, using I think 5 packs, because my sister went and got, I don't know how many inches was that. I think it was 26 inches. I don't really know how many inches was that, but she went and got the longer version of the regular, I think it's 18-inch free thread hair. So that's why I cut the hair at certain areas, and certain areas I was using it as whole, like it as a whole one, and then I cut off the excess at the end. So yeah, so we just repeating this process over and over again until you get all your hair done. This is my first time, as I said before. So far, this is how far we've been. We're almost done with this hair, and you pretty much just doing the same thing over and over. This is my first time, so you might not see a lot of similarity on here. You can, you might tend to see, different styles. That's because we are just starting up. I believe that it's gonna get better. We're just trying to figure it out. I believe that with time we're gonna get this all together. So yeah, first you use the spring twist to secure the beginning of the locks, and then you move on with the water wave, with the free trace water wave hair. So yeah, I was really impressed by my very first result. And I hope that you guys are going to try this as well, and I'm looking forward to into doing much more of this. I myself, I'm gonna be getting this done on myself because I really like the hair as well. Okay guys, also let me use this opportunity to say I'm very sorry for keeping you guys waiting for so long. I promise that again, every time it's a promise, but yeah, I promise that I am going to work on my schedule and make sure that I get something prepared for you guys, once in a while. It's been so long, like 3 months. That's not cool, right? I'm so sorry about that. So yeah, we're just doing this over and over again until we get our entire head done. So at the end of this um hair do, I realized that I kind of like space up a little bit at the back of the hair. So that's one thing that I have learned, and I will try to do in my next trial. Yes guys, we're almost done. I enjoyed this process, even though it took longer than my regular full locks time, but I like the hair. And also the hair might not last as long. It's just how the hair look. It's just the style, a different vibe that this hairstyle brings, that people are liking, because I know that this hair is not gonna last as long as the regular full locks would. Yeah, but it looks good. It looks good. So yeah, I'm happy I gave this a try, and let me know down in the comment section if you are going to give this a try as well. And also Also like, comment, let me know what it is that I didn't do so well. Like, comment, and please share this video to anybody that that might want to just take a look at the style and see if they are going to give it a try, because some people want to see how it looks like, some people want to see how it's been done before. Some, just like me, I had to look up videos, I look up Instagram posts and everything to really like get a picture of how this hair was going to be looking and how nice it would be before I got into trying it. As you can see, I'm just like fast forwarding it right now. I know that you guys have gotten the technique, and I know some of us are going to be trying it. I would also like to know down in the comment section. If you have any question, also make sure you have it down in the comment section, and I'm going to be responding to it. And also, if you have any video ideas, please let me know down in the comment section what you want to see, what do you want me to bring to you. I love you guys so much, and I really feel so bad for keeping you guys waiting for this long. And I promise I'm getting things straightened up, and I will not go back. I won't go again. I was about to say I will not go away for so long, but yeah, I will not go again. I'm gonna just try to keep you guys updated once in a while. At least I'm gonna start with at least once in a week, and see as we will go. Might head up to 2 times in a week. We don't know, but I'm not gonna say what I will not do. Okay, so yeah, guys, make sure you try this hairstyle. You're going to love it. Like, I just love the vibe that this hair carries. So for this hairstyle, it took me about 7 hours, close to 8 hours. That is like a normal time that I will take to do a faux locks, the regular faux locks. But that's because of the leaving out the butterfly lock stuff. It does, I mean, it kind of like holds you, delays you from like rubbing the hair, or rubbing the hair fast. Yeah. So yes, guys, we are rounding up. Well, this is our last one. Oh, I love how this turned out, you guys. I love how it turned out. So guys, make sure you give this a try. Make sure you give this a try. I will really love. And if you are here on YouTube and you give it a try, make sure that let me know, or even let me know your name in the comment section, so that I can follow you and I can stop by at your channel to take a look. Okay, all right, you guys, right now we are wrapping up. This is the final look, you guys. My sister really love her hair. She did love her hair. And I'm going to be doing this more often. Yes, guys. So the last thing that I did after I finished the lock was put some mousse in it. Y'all already know what the mousse can do to hair. Just give it some kind of like freshness. And girls, I had to do some little edges laying, but then her hair was so stubborn, it couldn't got to be glue, could not work on it. And she was like, oh, eco styler gel works. And I was like, okay, let's try that. When we did, I was disappointed, because that thing worked for just seconds. But yeah, this is the finished look. Let me know if you like this. Leave some comment down in the comment section. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.